Exercise 5. If y is x squared minus 3 is graphed in the xy plane, what are the coordinates of the y-intercept? First of all, let me remind you how to do that by hand. By hand, the y-intercept means put x equals 0 and then solve for y. If I do that, I would get that y is 0 squared minus 3, which means 0 minus 3, which is obviously equal to negative 3. So the y-intercept is negative 3, which means that the coordinates of that point, since it's a y-intercept and we put x equals 0, would have been 0, negative 3, which would have made A the right answer for this question. Now, since it's a graph as well, we can do it by using Desmos. Let me bring Desmos here. So we have the function x squared minus 3. That would be it. We need the y-intercept. The y-intercept is the point where our graph intersects with the y-axis. It's over there. And Desmos can give me directly the coordinates of this point, which is 0, negative 3, and which, once again, satisfies the condition that A is the right answer here.